What's up mga palaga? I'm Banuelos, your Millennial hustler. And welcome back sa ating channel. And yun na nga, sa channel na ito is pag-uusapan natin yung mga business tips and tricks, life lessons, marketing ideas, and anything in between. So if you are interested with those topics, you can consider subscribing if hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating channel. And sa mga nakasubscribe po, thank you so much for your continued support. And yeah, I'm reformatting my channel and I hope you're going to support me. Yun na nga, sa video na ito is pag-uusapan natin, this is somewhat related sa nauna nating video na in-upload. This time, we'll be talking about why your friends does not support your online selling business. Ang dami-dami mong mga friends sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa Twitter, pero why those friends are not supporting you? Or ang dami mong kakilala sa school, ang dami mong kakilala sa office, but why those friends are not supporting you? Alright, sa video na ito is pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ganon yung mga nangyayari. Ano yung mga rason? Okay, number one reason is baka kasi hindi nila gusto yung binibenta mo or hindi nila bet. So that's why they're not supporting you. Pero wala namang prusahan doon. You know what? You have a freedom kung ano yung gusto mo, ano yung dapat na sino-support mo, and ano yung hindi mo dapat ginagawa sa friends mo, and ano yung dapat hindi dapat ginagawa ng friends mo. So it's up to them, but there are actually friends na kahit sobrang close mo, hindi ka talaga suportahan or talagang, I don't know, with their mindset. Baka ganun, baka hindi nila gusto yung binibenta mo. That's why they're not supporting it. And number two, ito, napaka-toxic ng rason na to. Natatakot sila na baka yumaman ka sa papiso-pisong increase mo or patong mo doon sa mga binibenta mo. A lot of people would think na kapag nag-online business ka, start ka ng selling, ay, talagang kumikita yan, maraming pera yan. But little did they know na sobrang hirap ng pagiging online seller or pagiging online entrepreneur, because you have to bear all the risks. Because wala kang kasangga, ikaw lang mag-isa. So, parang sole proprietorship siya pag tayo ka ng business. So, ikaw lang yung nakaatang doon sa mga risk na tinataglay ng business na ginagawa mo, and at the same time, ikaw lang din yung nag-carry ng mga baggages, na mga loads sa mga possible dangers na mangyayari sa negosyo mo. But some of those friends, bakit hindi sila sumusuporta sa'yo? Kasi natatakot sila na baka maungusan mo sila or baka lalagpas ka doon sa status nila, kung ano man yung status nila sa buhay. Natatakot sila na baka yumaman ka sa papiso-piso, pa-5-5 na patong mo dun sa product na binibenta mo. It's very toxic because hindi nila gusto na aangat ka. Which in turn, parang mako-question mo, are they really your friends? Ganon. And number 3, bakit hindi sila sumusuporta sa'yo sa inyong online selling business is, isang reason number 3, they have a bitter taste about entrepreneurship. Hindi nila gusto yung mga nagpatinda-tinda because they have a parang low mindset about it. They're not confident about it. And hindi nila gusto yung concept na ganun because na-associate nila yung mga activities ng pagiging entrepreneur sa pagiging mahirap. So it's actually a very toxic mindset. Some of the Filipinos think that way. Oh, nagtitinda ka lang? Oh, online seller ka lang? So yun yung mga nilalang lang nila na trabaho in which hindi dapat, because the billionaires around the world are entrepreneurs and they're doing online selling. They're doing business online. Amazon, Alibaba, ang dami-dami pa. Even Facebook. Masyadong mapait yung taste nila about entrepreneurship, and siguro they cannot take it pag nakikita nila yung friends nila, oh, nagtitinda lang yan. Which in turn brings us to reason number 4. Kinakahiya ka nila. They don't take much pride about what you're doing, at hindi sila interesado, hindi nila gusto yung ginagawa mo kasi parang nakakasira sa circle of friends. So for example, andun when you're doing online selling kasi or online business, andun yung peer pressure. Especially pag yung circle of friends mo is not into selling, they're not into selling, madudungisan ang friendship natin. Nagtitinda ka lang. So yun. Yung mga toxic na mindset ng mga friends mo. One of the best reasons in life kasi is you should have to choose your friends. Choose your friends. It's not correct na sinasabi nilang anyone can be your friend. No, anyone can be your kakilala, but not everyone can be your friend, especially in business. Let's normalize saying that, oh, we're not friends, we're just acquaintance, kakilala lang tayo, but we're not friends. Sometimes we're actually abusing the word friend for the sake of being, being called as a friend. And number 5, ito yung parang nagsasum up sa lahat. They are not real friends. That's why they're not supporting your business. They are there because they might have something na gusto nila sa'yo, or gusto nilang makuha sa'yo, or gusto nilang mapapa sa kanila, or may benepisyo sila. That's why they consider you as friend. Pero they are not actually your real friends. So, and marami pang rason. You can comment down below kung ano yung mga reasons bakit your friends are not supporting your online endeavors, online business, online selling, ano pa yung mga selling activities na yan. So you can comment down below. This is a very good topic for us to discuss, and I'm very happy na magbabasa ng mga comments nyo sa comment section. Alright, so that will be all for this video. I hope I'll see you again next time. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok and pagsuporta sa ating channel. Yun na nga, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please do consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button and pakismash po ng notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa susunod nating mga uploads. Mag-upload tayo ng mga videos about business tips and tricks, life lessons, and marketing ideas, or anything under the sun that may relate to those mentioned topics. Alright, so thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time.